Here is a project that I need to get done ASAP. We have company coming, and I'd like to make this safer. We got to get rid of this. A tree used to come, used to grow out of this, but got in the way. It's nice to have this nice big open area, so I'm going to cover this up. I've got to get rid of this bit of tree right here and a little bit of that, and get rid of that and put some of that no stump or that stump stuff you put in there to get rid of it. So what I'm gonna do, you gotta love that. What I'm going to do is from the edge to here is 10 foot. From the edge to here is 63 inches basically. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to cover this, I might as well get rid of that old garbage right there and to cover this, I'm going to go from here, stagger it. I'm going to leave this one alone. So the first one, I'm going to leave this one alone. This one right here will be another 10 footer. So every other one, this one, this one, this one will be 10 footers. As you can see, that's where they are right there. So I'm just going to replace, not that one there, all the way to the edge. That one, all the way to the edge, and the others. There's 4 of those. And the other ones, the ones that are longer, you see you got this one, that one, that one. I am just going to go from here to the edge. So this one from here to the edge, that one from here to the edge. Whoops, there's the edge. You get the idea. It's not even right here, so I am going to take the saw and make a nice straight cut. Then I'm going to add a 2x6. I'm going to screw that into that support beam there, so I have a place to screw in the new boards. I don't need to do anything there because those deck boards are going away. Now I do have to add one in the middle here. They're 24-inch centers. So once that tree's gone, I'll add a support in the middle here. There, is that better? I'll add a support in the middle here. And so I could screw it down, screw the new boards down. Hello, good people. This is my setup to cover that hole in my deck. Got a canopy set up. Got some breeze. Had to add this extra for sun. Now, yes, I understand all this. That's not a problem. I'm going to be working on that side. And a little down here, but you can see that's covered. So I've got some implements here. Some crowbars, some hammers, the screw gun, screws, chop saw. What I need to do is, I got to remove all those. There's 8 of those shorties right there. And I'm going to alter them here. So some are going to come out to here, and some are either, I haven't figured it out, I haven't made a decision yet, to either go right here or to actually chop it and go here. I don't want them all here, I need them staggered. I also have to put one more support in the middle here. So what ends up being new are those 8 shorts. 4 of these, like this one right here. See how it ends right there? So that one, that one, that one, that one are getting replaced. Now I may or may not cut that to make the other one fit there, or I'm just going to go along here and alternate here. So let's go ahead and start taking these guys off of here. These little shorties I'm going to call. There you go, D. That's right, already did that one. Hey. 2 more. Dos más. Last one. Alright. Got all those shorties gone. Now it's time to get rid of the 4 that are over here. Okay, I have all boards removed I should say. So there are those 8 short ones. And then we got the 4. What these 4 are the 10 footers. It's 10 foot from the edge there to the edge there. I might do the other ones to there, or put a piece of wood there and then be able to drill to them there. But first, I'm going to put this one in. Got that support beam in there. Now I'm going to lay the 10 footers and oh wait, no, I got to put that support beam in so that I can screw down these other boards. Okay, I have that support in. I have this one where I can secure those 4. The 10 footers will go all the way. So, okay, let me put those 10 footers down. All right, the 10 footer is just a little too long. I've got to cut that little piece off. There. That's how it's supposed to fit. Ain't that purty? There's the short one. There's Chili. So there's the short one and the long one. Now I just gotta continue. That one's Kobe. Okay. They're all in place. They are all in place. Now it's time to screw them down. Aside from painting it, sealing it, which is all done. Yeah, I know they're not even.